Pavement, meaning pronunciation, P-A-Y-V-ment, meaning pavement means the hard surface of a road or path. It is the part we walk or drive on, made of concrete, stone, or asphalt. Simple meaning, pavement equals road surface / footpath surface. Two common uses depends on country. 1. In British English, pavement equals the sidewalk, the place where people walk beside the road. 2. In American English, pavement equals the road surface the hard surface cars drive on. Examples daily used sentences. 1. Walk on the pavement, not on the road. 2. The pavement is wet because of rain. 3. There are cracks in the pavement. 4. The city is repairing the pavement. 5. Don't run on the pavement, you may slip. Real-life explanation. The solid, hard ground outside, like the sidewalk near shops or the surface of a road, can be called pavement. Synonyms: road surface, sidewalk British English, footpath common. Opposites. There is no direct opposite, but you can say grass, soil, dirt path, not paved.